Maybe. Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to do a little walking tour of the Theodore Roosevelt Island in DC. I don't think a lot of people know about this place, so be interested to see what we can find and how nice it is. So stay tuned and thank you for joining. Yeah, so that goes the Roosevelt statue.
But we will keep going.
No. Oh, we need to go in here? Yeah, this one's paved. That one's also in. And there's a sign, yeah, so we're fine. I think so. I think we're fine. Yeah, that's just the outside edge. This is the inside.
If you find the deer, you will get 50 points.
Deer's 50 points, fox 100 points. Chipmunks are 10, squirrels are 5. Mice, I think, are 15. Because they're hard to see. Maybe mice are 20. They're really hard to see and they're not out at the time. Frog? I'll give that 22. Not 22, but 20 as well. Because, you know, they're kind of hard to see too. Because they're green usually. I almost squished that one poor guy. Well, that's 5 points.
I don't see that.
Well, then it doesn't count. Birds, I don't give them. Oh, what? Yeah. I guess they have a bathroom here, so that's nice. I think we want to keep going straight. Cheers. Oh, swamp. That's kind of interesting there. I think there's a swamp. This is a swamp. Marsh. Oh, I guess it's not a swamp, it's a marsh. Oh, there's a movement. There was a movement down here, I heard. Oh, maybe a lizard? Maybe it's totally. Oh, yeah.
There is something. I can see.
She's doing well. They're probably in the water. What's this guy saying? That's a nice bench. Oh, this guy. The Red Wing. Oh, we know him. We saw him in Horse Park.
Oh.
I see something.
Yes. It's
Red Wing.
Asatigu State Park.
We know him. Who's this guy? The swamp.
Oh.
I think it's just a dead end here.
Oh.
Okay, we'll just go down here while we have it. Probably get close to this river area or swamp area, whatever, water area. I guess technically we need to be on this side. Oh, squirrel, squirrel, 5 points. I saw him. This point's only 5 points. Alright, 5 points. I got 5 points so far. I heard it fluffing over there.
Oh, what's that? I think there's fluffy thingy. Oh, it's a squirrel again.
Oh, squirrel, 5 points. Sorry, sir. Interrupted him digging around. That's why squirrels are only worth 5 points.
Oh, okay.
They're too common, they're easy to see, and they're out during the day. Like foxes are like 20 or 15 or something. Because they're only out at night and they're avoid people too, so a double. And if you see a baby fox, it's like triple, like a multiplier. Because they're little and they stay in the dens.
It's good for kids.
He used rope. He used rope.
Oh,
I mean, it's still decent.
secret base.
A bit rough terrain, but still not bad. You can walk on here, pretty much anybody. It's a little bit, you know, rocky, but it's not bad. Not so on some of the trails we've been on, like some of those Japanese ones in Takao when we went on the worst way, the hard way. There's the easy way that's fully paved, and then there's the hard way where you have to climb up it.
Does it have like lift or cable car?
Well, that's what I'm saying. This will be like a 1 being 0 being super easy and 10 being you're climbing a mountain. Now this will be like a 1 or 0.5. Oh, that's nice.
Causeway?
Causeway, yeah, it's overflow.
Nice one.
Oh, there's actually some pretty clear water.
Nice.
probably, oh, that one.